Hey, we back with another video, and this weekend is Super Bowl weekend. We're going with Mahomes and company. Super Bowl weekend, we've got another tactical box. This box is a subscription box. I have no idea what's in it yet. Hopefully something good. This is the second one I've gotten. My first one I got last month, did video on it. So we're gonna open it up, see what's in here. This monthly membership box says, "Thank you for your continued support. We hope you are enjoying your monthly mystery gifts." This is kind of like getting a birthday present once a month. You never know what's going to be in here. Don't forget, as a member, you will always get first access to our newest releases for free, which we will be including in the next few months. Alright, I'm kind of wondering what that's all about, but and it's tacticalbox.com. We can zoom in here just a little bit. Alright, fire starters. I gave you some fire starters. Nice. You never have too much of this. Might even be able to wrap meat with it. Or something. It's kind of nice. I'm just going to pull something out here. It's not in a box or a bag or nothing, but it's, you know, pretty good sized carabiner clip. One of those big plastic ones to go in your backpack. Kind of handy. Hang a water bottle on. But the one I got in this box is an orange one. I don't know if other boxes have different colors, but mine was orange. Alright, last month's box, month of January, I got one of these in the box. Of course, it's a different color. That one was a dark blue, gray, black camo. This one here looks like it's got a skull on it. Red, white, and blue flag skull. That's pretty cool. Let's see. There, how's that? I think I'll do the rest of the video with this on. Let's just kind of pull that down a little bit. Alright, I'm going to leave it on. EvaTac. I think last month I was pronouncing that wrong, but EvaTac. I guess that's how you pronounce that. And pull it out. Oh, it's a big folding lock blade knife. Stainless steel. Got the rope string cutter down here. Window breaker at that end. Does have a pocket clip for your pocket. Pretty good sized blade, metal handle. I mean, for a big knife, it's not that heavy, not as heavy as it looks. Got the thumb open. Now we're going to move on to something else, and this is from EvaTac 2. Let's see what's in this. Oh, got one of these last month. These are actually kind of nice to get another one of these, because these you can put about anywhere. This is a gun magnet. You can mount it in your pickup somewhere, car, next to your bed, nightstand, under your desk. I don't advise school lockers. That's probably a no-no. Times have changed. They kind of frown on doing that at school now, but when I was a kid, we didn't have no problem with it. We knew how to be responsible. But anyway, it's got a rubberized coating on it. It's a magnet. You mount it. It comes with some screws, drywall anchors, and it does come with this 3M sticky pad adhesive, to where you can, I guess if you want to do the screws and the adhesive, you can. You probably, if you wanted to mount this underneath a desk or something, didn't want to put holes in company property, you could probably attach it with the adhesive. So it's kind of cool to get an extra one of those, because I've got several places I would like to put them, but something else, I'm just pulling out the EvaTac stuff, and there's obviously several. Let's see what this box is. This is a knife holder. Get this out of the box. And this EvaTac stuff, they come in pretty nice padded boxes. I mean, they got foam in them and good cardboard. Let's see if their knife goes in there. Oh, it does. It's pretty cool knife holder. It does hold that knife. You could probably put other knives in there, maybe a multi-tool. And the belt clip on the back, you can see that belt clip. It's not a canvas belt clip, it's a hard polymer. It should be an easy on, easy off belt clip, but Velcro. And as big as that knife is, you could probably put about any folding knife in here and it would hold it. Alright, let's see. This box has no name on it. It's just a plain box. And this is from EvaTac also. How I know is all this EvaTac stuff comes with an EvaTac sticker. And there's one in this box. Alright, there's a little carabiner clip keychain with a compass on it. And what's the little black thing here? Smart Mobile Power. Let's go open this up. It's a 4-panel solar panel to charge your, I guess, cell phone up. It does come with a micro USB, so if you've got a phone or something with micro USB plug on it, it comes with that on it. And it does have just a regular USB, so you can take, if you got an iPhone or a C-type plug, you can take your normal phone charger cable and plug right in here. Stick this out in the sun. Let me think here. How's this? The strap, you can, it's got like a elastic strap that keeps it closed when you're not using it, and you can fold it over and clip it here, maybe to use on something, maybe to slide your phone in underneath of it. And something I just noticed, the little keychain, it's got a loop up here at the top to where you can put this on and hang it, maybe hang it by a backpack, hang it on something, hang it over a window. That's pretty cool little solar panel. I don't know what, how many watts or anything it puts out. and it don't look like the instructions say. Yeah, it don't say what the output is. So I'm gonna be trying this out. It's, like I said, it's pretty cool. You can see how big it is. Fold right up to about the size of a cell phone. And that's how big it is. A little bigger than a wallet. Next coming out, and this is from Tac Right. It's a solar crank, radio, flashlight, and reading lamp. You can charge your cell phone off of it too. So it must have a USB port to do that. It's got AM, FM, and NOAA weather radio. Use when it's storming, power goes out, no electricity, but you're wanting to keep up on the weather, track the storms. Nice to keep in the camper, in the house. I've got several of these. Keep one in the camper, and I got one in the house that I just keep in the house to use just in case the power goes out and I can't watch the weather on TV. This will get it done. And although it does have the rechargeable battery in it, you can put 3 AA in it to use it. There's the light. Looks like the light's just a flashlight, one mode. And it's got the solar panel up on top, and you can pull that up, and there's your reading lamp. So if you wanted to set it on the table, read something, you could. Radio, let's put the antenna up, because we are in Redneck Studios underground. Let's see, turn this on. Oh.
North of town at St. Joseph, it was sunny with a temperature of 62. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 58 at Des Moines and 54 at Omaha. Across the Ozarks into central and eastern Missouri, it was sunny with a temperature of 65 at Joplin and 6.
That was an old weather radio.
Now they can be upset that Trump didn't shut it down.
AM radio. FM radio. Let's see on the back. Yeah, it does have, it has a headphone jack, so if you're wanting to listen to it with headphones on, somebody else is sleeping or something, you could. It does have the USB plug on the back. You can see right there, you can zoom in. You can charge your phone. It has a micro USB to where you could plug the solar panel into that same plug, or plug it into the wall on your phone cord, or into a micro USB plug. And it did come with a white micro USB plug to charge it, or to charge something else off of it. But pretty cool radio. It's got a switch on the bottom, so you can switch it from the rechargeable battery to the 3 AA if you wanted to put AA in it. The crank. Yep, cranks up. So anyway, this is what I guess you'd call the basic or standard box. I think they just got 2 level boxes, standard and the ultimate box. The ultimate box is going to cost you more. It's probably going to be bigger with bigger things in it. So this is February 2024 tactical box, and I'm going to leave this link down in the description so you can get your own. And I'm Redneck in a hat. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. You see me out and about, honk your horn, wave at me, you know, roll your window down, stick your arm out the window. I have people do that quite a bit, so we'll catch you guys on the next video.